Okay guys, welcome back to Smokestack Diesel channel. We have a 95 Jeep. We're going to be doing an oil pan gasket on it. Wrangler 2.5, 4-cylinder. And it is a manual transmission. But we're going to lift it up and go ahead and swap the oil pan gasket on it. Got a little bit of leaking going on, so we're going to clean that up. All right, we got the truck lifted up. So first thing we're going to do, always make sure your battery is unhooked when you're working on stuff like this. We're going to be taking off the starter, get that out of the way. Once we get the starter off, we're going to take the dust shield off here. So the starter has got kind of a different style of bolt on it, and they're called E-sockets. So there's your E-sockets right there. So you can get those, these are at Harbor Freight. But it'll be an E-socket to take these two bolts out right here. Get your starter and just kind of let that, you can just let that hang, kind of sit by the side, it won't hurt it. Now we're going to take off the dust cover right here. Two bottom bolts are going to be 18 mil, and it's going to be a bolt and nut. All right, so directly up from this hole, a little bit of an angle, about your 11 o'clock, there's going to be a 13 millimeter. Then directly across at the top corner of the oil pan will be another one on the other side over here. All right, now we're going to drain the oil. Okay, I've marked some of these bolts here that are smaller for some reason. I don't know if they've been replaced, but I just marked where these are going to be a 3/8. These are 7/16 for the regular ones, and then on the end here, and the ones back up in here, you're going to have is going to be a 1/2 inch. So we're going to go ahead and take out the bolts around the pan. All right, now we got all the surface cleaned, all the old RTV off of it. I don't know why they put it all over it, but it was all over it. Also got the pan surface nice and clean. And we got our new gasket here. We are going to take and put some sealant just in your corners, right here, corner over here, and then back here. Up in here, we're going to put some sealant in the corners, but that's the only sealant we're going to put on it because it is supposedly a rubber gasket. You don't need sealant on these; are usually pretty good. So just go around, put all your bolts in just hand tight for now, get all the holes lined up, and then we'll come back and put a little bit of torque on it. We got our inspection plate, dust shield, get that in place. Get all your nuts and bolts in place, and then torque this down, and then we're going to be putting the starter back in. All right, next we're going to be putting the starter back. This particular starter had a shim on it, so we'll be putting that shim back in its place too. Let's see if we can get this started. All right, now that we got the pan on, dust shield on, starter on, basically now old pan is changed, new old pan gaskets on it, and ready for oil.